Hi guys, welcome to Module 15, Lesson 16, and this is video number 1. And as you can see here on our paper, we have a square. It's not a perfectly drawn square. I just did the best I could. It is a square. Why don't we think about some properties of squares or other names for squares? Properties of squares or other names for squares. Do you notice that? It has 4 sides that are the same length. 4 sides, same length. That's why I didn't have to draw it perfectly, didn't get out my ruler and measure it, just tried to make my 4 sides the same length. Do you also notice that it has 4 right angles? Those little boxes are our right angles indicators, and it has 4 right angles. Yes, very good. Do you notice that it has 4 lines of symmetry? Let's see, lines of symmetry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, almost. To cut it completely in half, like if you're going to fold it, right? 4 lines of symmetry. It is a rectangle as well. It's also a rhombus and a parallelogram and a trapezoid and a kite. It is so many different names, right? Let's write down some of those names. Rectangle, rhombus, parallelogram, kite. Did I miss one? Trapezoid. It is so many things. And it is also a polygon, a many-sided figure. And it is also a quadrilateral, quadrilateral, meaning it has 4 sides, right? Quad, 4 sides. It is a 2-dimensional feature, 2D, right? 2 dimensions. And it has area. We can tile it. All right, now let's look at something else. It's a little bit of a small one, but what is this? Right? What is that? That is a cube, right? And let's talk about some of the properties of a cube. It is not flat like the square, right? It has a square on every side. Square on every side. Very good. It has right angles. Okay. It is a 3-dimensional figure, right? A 3-dimensional figure, where a square was a 2-dimensional figure, right? Flat, but 3 dimensions. Very good. It has more than 4 corners. It is not a polygon, because a polygon can only be 2-dimensional. So a square is 2-dimensional and lies in a plane. Do you know that that term, plane? Do you know that one? It is a flat surface that extends forever in all directions. So you could say the top of my desk is a plane. This top of this paper is a plane, right? It just goes in all directions. Okay, very good. So the square is 2 dimensions and lies in one plane. A cube is 3 dimensions or a solid and does not lie on one plane, right? What shape are the faces of the cube? Squares, yes, very good. And how many faces does the cube have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So a cube has 6 faces. Now that's just one of our platonic solids. Let's look at some more platonic solids. And I just did drawings of them. you know, I like to give it a try. In class, we also have actual 3D models of these, but you can picture them. This is a tetrahedron. I like the names a lot. It has 4 equilateral triangles. So here you can see 2 of them, and you just imagine that there's 2 on the other, one on the other side and one on the base, right? It has 4 equilateral triangles. Remember, equilateral means all the sides are the same. Then there's an octahedron. It has 8 equilateral triangles. So there's 4 here, and then picture this exact same thing on the other side, like 2 square pyramids on top of each other. And this one is like a triangular pyramid, right? Because it has a triangle on the bottom. Okay, they are fun to check out. Then we have a cube, which we did just check out in 3D. Very good. And then we have a dodecahedron. I did not do a very good job drawing it, but it is a regular pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. And then there's 12 of them. 12 regular pentagons. Remember that a regular shape, all sides are the same, unlike my drawing. Sorry about that. Then we have this is a icosahedron, and that has 20 equilateral triangles. Messed up my spelling there a little bit. So I started drawing them, right? Equilateral, all sides are the same, and there's going to be 20 of them, and they're going to make the entire shape. Okay, so these are your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 platonic solids. And we're going to be talking a little bit more about platonic solids. So the ancient Greeks studied solids, and they came up with this group of solids called the platonic solids. And all faces of platonic solids are identical, regular polygons. So if it's a regular polygon, that means it's a shape, a closed shape, that has the same size sides, right? So equilateral triangle or square, right? All the sides are the same. Regular pentagon, all the sides are the same. So it has to be either triangle, square, or pentagon, and all the sides are the same to make it into a platonic solid. So identical polygons that have sides that are the same length and angles that are the same measure. Are all sides of the square the same length? Yes. Are all angles of the square the same measure? Yes. So a cube is one of our platonic solids because the faces are squares that are identical polygons, right? Okay, so we're going to stop here, and I'll see you in video 2, where we're going to be making our own right rectangular prism. Awesome job. See you in the next video. Aloha.